Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest stock market news and updates. दोस्तों, फ्यूचर और ऑप्शंस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स होते हैं. Futures or options are financial instruments built on other assets, and that is why they are called derivatives. Both of them share some common features. For example, 1. They both derive their value from other assets. These other assets include oil, gold, securities, bonds, and more. 2. They were both invented to hedge against risk. दोनों फ्यूचर और ऑप्शंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में एक प्री डिटरमाइंड प्राइस होता है जिसे स्ट्राइक प्राइस कहते हैं. द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बायर कैन बाय द अंडरलाइंग एसेट ऑन और बिफोर द एक्सपायरी डेट एट द स्ट्राइक प्राइस. फ्यूचर का प्राइस अभी से सेट करने के काफी फायदे हैं. पीपल आर प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम द प्राइस स्विंग्स ऑफ द मार्केट एंड दिस अलाउज फॉर अ लेस रिस्की प्रोडक्शन साइकिल. 3. Both options and futures will help you make profits if you can accurately predict price swings. मगर futures और options के काफी differences भी हैं, and this is where things get interesting. An options contract gives you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying asset at the predetermined price before the expiry date. With a futures contract, however, you have the obligation to buy or sell. This changes the game and makes future contracts much riskier. Suppose आपने एक expected price swing को दिमाग में रखकर options contract खरीदा. अब price swing तो हुआ पर opposite direction में. Now you can simply let your options contract expire without doing anything. Options contract के लिए आपने जो upfront premium पे किया वो आपका loss है, पर ये potential loss predetermined है और ये multiply नहीं हो सकता. On the other hand, अगर फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीदने के बाद आपका प्रेडिक्शन गलत हुआ तो आपके लॉसेस पोटेंशियली अनलिमिटेड हो सकते हैं. ऑप्शंस और फ्यूचर्स को समझने का एक और मेथड सुनिए. ऑप्शंस आर सिंपली कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स वेयर इट्स ऑप्शनल टू बाय और सेल. On the other hand, if you buy futures, you must be really good at predicting the future correctly. Otherwise, your losses can be big. These derivatives also help people protect their investments. Suppose Manoj, a trader, takes a long position in the stock of company ABC. Manoj will make a loss if the stock price falls. Now, Manoj can pay a small premium and buy an options contract with a predetermined strike price. Even if the stock price falls below the strike price, Manoj will get the strike price for his stocks if he executes the options contract before the expiry date. He will be able to cut his losses. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting stock market updates and stories. Until then, stay safe and happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.